Okay, this video is to give you the basic operation of a Thermo King reefer. This is your control box. Your on-off switch is very basic. Push on. Make sure you have your Thermo King logo come up. This process takes about 3 minutes. So while we're doing this, I'm going to show you the fuel tank. This is the reefer fuel tank. This is your filler nozzle and your gauge. As you can see, this reefer is actually below 1/4 tank of fuel. This is vital that anytime you drop a trailer, whether it be at the yard or at a customer, it must be full of fuel, empty or loaded. Most of our customers that have preloaded trailers will not even let you in the gate without at least 3/4 to a full tank of fuel. So it is vital that these are full, especially in the summertime. You can see that the system is configuring. That's all the computers getting together. And this is your menu. You can see the box temperature is 57. The set point is 58. To change your set point, you just simply push the set point button and you change it. We're going to change the set point to 60. So you have the plus and minus button. Push the plus button till you get to 60 and hit yes. Programming a new set point. New set point is 60. The set point is now 60. So it's going to go through its operation. While it's doing that, we're going to check the gauges. If you see here, you have set point, gauges. Gauges. Oh, the engine's starting now, so we'll wait. You'll hear the alarm that the engine's starting. When it starts, it'll give you the same information, so we know the engine's running. So we're going to check our gauges. This will give you your coolant temperature. That's 156. Then you hit the next button. Your coolant level is okay. Engine oil pressure, okay. Oil level. Amps, the battery amps, and the battery voltage. All the other gauges are for the mechanics. It's kind of out of our range. So you just hit exit and you come back. Now there's a few more buttons on here I'd like to explain to you. This is your cycle sentry or on-off mode. Right now, you don't see any indicators in this corner. This reefer will be running on continuous. It will never shut off until you turn it off. It'll keep it right in the temperature range, but idle. If you hit the cycle sentry mode, new cycle mode, cycle sentry, you'll notice the indicator. Now when the reefer gets the temperature, it will shut off. Make sure you look at your bill of lading and make sure it's not a continuous mode load. It will tell you on your bills. The other button on here is your defrost. You need to know this button because if you do have an alarm code, on-road may ask you to run a defrost, and you simply push that button and it'll automatically run a defrost mode. So now I'm going to show you about the alarms. So I'm going to actually set an alarm off on the reefer. It'll take just a second. So when you're driving down the road, if you look up at the T, as long as the T is white, you're in good shape. Now you see it's gone to the amber K. That lets you know that there's an alarm somewhere in the system. You need to find a safe, not the side of the road, place to pull off and check your alarms. The way you check your alarms is you come to your control box, you go to gauges, or you go to menu, and you'll see alarms. You have an up and down button, and you just scroll down to alarms and hit select. That will give you your alarm. On a Thermo King, you get a number. You need to write that number down, and you need to write down what the problem is. You call on-road, tell them the situation, they can get a hold of Thermo King and get it evaluated. This alarm is very simple. It's one that the driver can clear. You just hit clear alarm, exit, Exit once again from the menu screen, and you're back on your normal screen. And if you notice, you now have the white tee. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have a great day and run a lot of miles.